The secret power of ginger. Ginger isn't just a kitchen staple for stir-fries and cooking, it's practically a botanical superhero. If it had a secret identity, it would be Zingiber officinale, and its superpowers come from a bioactive compound called gingerol. Here are the secret of ginger's hidden talents. 1. The nausea eraser. 2. The natural ibuprofen. 3. The digestive accelerator. And 4. The metabolic spark. The nausea eraser. This is ginger's most famous trick. It's remarkably effective at blocking the receptors in your gut that trigger the uh-oh feeling. Morning sickness. Often safer and more effective than over-the-counter. Meds for pregnancy-related queasiness. Motion sickness. Helps settle the stomach during rocky boat rides or long car trips. Post-chemo surgery. Used in clinical settings to help patients recover without heavy nausea. The natural ibuprofen. Ginger is a potent anti-inflammatory. It inhibits the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, the things that make your joints ache. Muscle soreness. Studies show that consuming ginger daily can reduce the day after pain from a heavy workout. Osteoarthritis. Many people find relief from joint stiffness by using ginger extracts or topical ginger compresses. The digestive accelerator. If you feel like a meal is sitting like a rock in your stomach, ginger acts as a prokinetic. It speeds up gastric emptying, moving food from the stomach into the small intestine faster, which prevents bloating and indigestion. The metabolic spark. Ginger has a thermogenic effect. It slightly increases body temperature and may help with blood sugar regulation. It helps muscles take up glucose without needing extra insulin. Cholesterol. It has been shown to significantly lower cholesterol and blood triglyceride levels. How to unlock the power of ginger. Ginger fresh root have maximum flavor as tea and help rapid digestion. The dried ginger. Powder is concentrated gingerols and great for anti-inflammatory benefits. The pickled ginger have probiotic benefits, plus palate cleansing. The topical ginger oil are targeted joint and muscle pain relief. Here, a quick peer warning. While ginger is amazing, it can thin the blood slightly. If you're on blood thinners or have an upcoming surgery, don't go overboard with the ginger shots without checking with a doc first. Since ginger is such a versatile base ingredient, it pairs beautifully with other herbs to create specific health boosters. Think of ginger as the engine, and these other herbs as the specialized attachments. Here are some of the best ginger plus herb combinations. 1. The Immunity Shield Ginger plus Turmeric. This is the gold standard for fighting off a cold. Both are rhizomes from the same botanical family. Turmeric provides curcumin for heavy-duty anti-inflammation, while ginger provides the heat to improve circulation. Pro tip: always add a pinch of black pepper, it increases curcumin absorption by $2,000%. Ginger plus peppermint. If you're dealing with bloating, gas, or indigestion, this is the go-to herbal duo. Ginger moves food along, gastric emptying, while peppermint oil relaxes the muscles in the digestive tract to reduce cramping. It's best to drink while still hot tea after a heavy dinner. Ginger plus holy basil. In Ayurvedic medicine, this combo is used to balance the body's response to stress. Holy basil is an adaptogen, helps the body adapt to stress. And ginger helps clear the brain fog that often comes with exhaustion. And you taste the flavor of earthy, peppery, and slightly floral. Ginger plus thyme. When you have a stubborn cough or chest congestion, these two work as a natural expectorant. Thyme is a powerful antimicrobial and antispasmodic, stops the coughing fits, while ginger thins the mucus. This is best for steam inhalation or a strong infused tea with honey. Do you want more health hacks and tips? Subscribe this channel and thank you for watching.